Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, it's time now for me to check out from this hotel room. Actually, motel room. Yeah, so this is the working area and kitchen, and there's the toilet. Yeah, it's a regular hotel room, one bed. I don't forget anything. Yes, I don't. I basically stay here because yesterday was raining heavy. I was at the shopping mall. Yeah, and when I get out, it's raining. So I decided to look for a hotel, and this is the cheapest. It's $95. And the only available is around maybe 6 hotel room. Yeah, in the area. There are many hotels but fully occupied. I don't know why it's so busy. We are still in the area of Shepparton. This Shepparton is a big city. Yeah, all the major companies here in Australia, they have it in here. What they don't have here is the high-rise condominiums, high-rise buildings, but all the other things they have here. Yeah, I need to come back here because I forgot my phone, and it is raining. Yesterday they released the GoPro 11. Yeah, and there is a JP Hi-Fi on that side. I'm tempted to get that GoPro Hero 11, but I don't need. Today is Sunday, so most of the shops are closed. And I'm going to take one nasi goreng. Yeah, there are so many choices, and they have their all the ingredients, and they will cook it when there is order. This is it, and it costs $15. I like it. Full of flavor, very tasty. I didn't finish it. I'm going to eat it later. I don't know exactly our next stop, but I set the GPS to Wodonga. Yeah, still part of Victoria. And you know, along the way here, there's so many big space with yellow flowers. Yeah, like a flatland full of yellow flowers. I don't know exactly what are those. And of course some are green, just green, but I think soon it is also going to be yellow. We are actually now heading back to New South Wales. So after Wodonga, we'll be in New South Wales already. And based on what I've seen last night in the news, yeah, that there is a possible flooding in most parts of New South Wales inland. Yeah. It makes me worry a little bit. I don't want this car to be sink in the rain or sink in the flood. So we are passing through a flatlands, mostly farms with cows. I just saw on the signboard, welcome to the rural city of Wangaratta. So I live my life in a dream world for the rest of my days, with you and me walking hand in hand, and a wistful memory. Oh, I guess that's all we have for you and me. Guess I wish a time machine wish I could come back until that day I was born. Can we find a way to finally make it right? Make the magic last for more than just one night. You know, through it, we could go just through it, just yeah, cars are keep on overtaking me because of my limit. I hope I am not leaving them an impression that a Suzuki Jimny is a slow car. Oh, look at that, there is a heavy rain along the way. Okay, we stop here. Yeah, but the rain slowed down also. It's alright. Yeah, the rain also stopped. How come? No rain, no rain, no rain. Anyway, I'm going to the toilet. Oh, look at this. There is one youth with trailer, a caravan that is going to overtake. I've been to paradise and never been to me. Yeah, 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 yeah. We just exit from the highway and we are now getting inside the city center of Wodonga. This is already the end of my GPS. Yeah, this is their town center. Oh, there is a mall. Yeah, we are going to the mall. Yeah, a usual Filipino, when they get into a city, yeah, the first place they go to is the shopping mall. Beautiful town center they have. So I end up here in Woolworth, here in Wodonga, and I'm thinking of camping in a public place. I mean in the camping ground, which is free, but it is near to the Moray River. And I am worried because it is raining from time to time. And yeah, I don't know, maybe the Moray River will overflow and I will be stranded on that side. I don't want to be stranded. It is now already 3:40 something, or maybe 4 o'clock already. Yeah, 3:55. This is how it is here outside. There is a sun, but also it is raining. And so we're going to the grocery to buy something to be ready to eat something later. And I'm again going to get one of these mandarin. Yeah, $3. And I'm getting 2 of these because yeah, 50% this time. This is my favorite. I'm getting one of this candy. Yeah, lollies, they call lollies. This is just $4.90. Oh, not this one. Oh yeah, just because the milk one is $7. So the cheap one. No, I like the individually pack. This one is when you open it, will be all open. Okay, I take this one. No. It's difficult to okay, this one. Okay, I don't need candy. I don't know how much is this. Yeah, I'm getting one of this. Okay. Yeah, these are the things that I bought. Okay, and we are now going to the campground, the free one. That free camping ground is actually yeah, 20 minutes more from here. Basically the caravan park that is near to the city, it costs $38 unpowered, but it is facing to the water. I saw in the picture. It is on this place, but yeah, the road is closed. There is a block. It is written here, this is Mundata Farm Farm Biosecurity. It's written there. And now I am taking this rough road. I don't know if it's really going there. How come this is no through road? And according to the map, it's a camping ground. Okay, we go back to the city. And there is this kind of house here. Okay, we go back to the city. We find a parking space and there we sleep there.